What happens when Ducati takes a muscle bike and gives it superbike DNA? Yeah, that's exactly what the new 2026 Ducati Diavel V4 looks like right now. This thing doesn't even feel real anymore. It's low, wide, aggressive, and somehow even crazier than before. And honestly, the first reactions coming out from riders in the USA are wild. The moment this bike fires up, you already know it means business. That V4 engine sound? Pure madness. Deep, angry, loud enough to turn heads 3 blocks away. Ducati basically looked at normal cruiser bikes and said, nah, let's build a monster instead. Now here's where it gets interesting. The new Diavel V4 is expected to keep that insane Gran Turismo engine, which already shocked people with how smooth and powerful it feels. We're talking massive horsepower, brutal acceleration, and highway pulls that feel like a sport bike on steroids. Twist the throttle and this thing launches like it's trying to escape Earth. And the craziest part, it still feels comfortable. That's the weird magic of the Diavel. It looks like a heavyweight muscle machine, but once riders actually sit on it, they realize it handles way better than expected. Fast corners, long highway rides, city cruising, somehow it does all of it without feeling confused about its identity. But Ducati may be taking things even further for 2026. There are rumors about updated rider tech, smoother electronics, and possibly even lighter components. Some insiders are also talking about fresh styling tweaks, sharper LED lighting, and upgraded display features. Nothing fully confirmed yet, but honestly, Ducati rarely sits still for long. And if those rumors are true, this bike could become one of the most talked about motorcycles in America next year. Because look around right now, riders want power again, raw emotion, bikes with attitude. And the Diavel V4 has attitude everywhere. The fat rear tire, the stretched out body, the fighter jet front end. It looks like something Batman would ride if he got tired of supercars. But here's the real thing. This bike isn't just about flexing at bike nights. People who've ridden the current Diavel V4 already know it's seriously fast. We're talking acceleration that can embarrass a lot of sports cars on the road. And once you hear that exhaust scream at high RPMs, game over. You can literally feel the Ducati racing blood inside this machine. Now imagine that experience on open American highways, desert roads in Arizona, coastal rides in California, night cruising in Miami. The Diavel V4 fits that lifestyle perfectly. It's dramatic, loud, premium. It wants attention, and trust me, it gets it. Also, Ducati has been improving reliability and ride comfort over the last few years, which is a big deal. Older Italian bikes sometimes had a reputation for being high maintenance, but newer Ducati models have been changing that conversation fast. And let's talk design for a second, because wow, the rear end on this bike looks insanely clean. The exposed single-sided swing arm still steals the show. That massive tire from the back angle looks absolutely brutal. And the front LED setup gives it this futuristic Predator vibe that makes other cruisers look outdated overnight. Honestly, if this bike pulls up next to you at a red light, you're looking at it. Everybody does. By the way, if you're into motorcycles that actually feel exciting and different, hit that like button and subscribe, because this next year is about to get crazy for performance bikes. Now, one thing a lot of people are waiting to hear is pricing, because Ducati bikes are premium machines, no surprise there. The current Diavel V4 already sits in serious money territory, and the 2026 version probably won't be cheap either. But Ducati knows buyers in this segment are looking for emotion, not bargain deals. And that's exactly what the Diavel sells: emotion. The moment you see it, hear it, ride it, you get it. Some people online are already calling this the perfect mix between a superbike and a power cruiser. Others think it's in a category completely by itself, and honestly, they might be right. There really aren't many bikes that combine this level of style, tech, comfort, and aggression all at once. And Ducati understands something most brands don't. Motorcycles are supposed to make you feel something. The Diavel V4 feels alive, dangerous, special. That's why riders keep talking about it. Now, the big question is whether Ducati will unleash an even more extreme version later, maybe an S model, maybe upgraded performance parts, maybe even wilder styling. Ducati loves surprises, and fans are definitely expecting something big. Either way, the 2026 Diavel V4 already has massive hype building around it. And honestly, deserved, because in a world full of safe and boring motorcycles, this thing still feels rebellious. It still feels like a machine built by people who love speed, noise, and adrenaline. And that's becoming rare. So now I gotta ask you, would you actually buy the 2026 Ducati Diavel V4 over a traditional superbike, or is this muscle monster just too crazy to daily ride?